Welcome back to CoinZF, the place where collectors and enthusiasts come together to explore rare and valuable coins from across the globe. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest coin news, tips, and treasures. Today, we're going to dive deep into a coin that's been making waves in the numismatic world. The 1985 Canada 1 cent coin, which according to some claims, is worth a staggering $14,400 million. But how true is that? Stick with us as we explore the fascinating story behind this coin and determine whether or not it's really worth such a massive amount. Let's get started. Now, before we go any further, let's first take a closer look at this 1985 Canadian 1 cent coin. It may look like your average penny, but it has an interesting history. The coin itself features the iconic design of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the classic maple leaf design on the reverse. But as we dig deeper, things get even more interesting. Canada has been issuing 1 cent coins since 1858, and the design of these coins has evolved significantly over the years. The 1985 version is part of the larger series that was struck by the Royal Canadian Mint. On the obverse, we see the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, which has been the standard design since 1953, created by Canadian artist Arnold Mackin. On the reverse, we have the iconic Canadian maple leaf, representing the country's national symbol. But nothing about this coin screams extremely valuable, right? But as we dig deeper into the history of Canadian coins, we'll see how this particular 1985 cent could have become so highly sought after. Let's go back in time and explore the events surrounding this coin. Now, some online articles and even YouTube videos claim that the 1985 Canadian 1 cent coin is worth an astronomical $14,400 million. Yes, you heard that correctly. But where does this number come from? The truth is, there's no official record or credible source stating that the 1985 penny is worth anything close to that amount. So what's going on here? First off, this isn't the first time we've seen exaggerated claims about the value of certain coins. The world of numismatics is filled with rumors, hoaxes, and misconceptions, especially when it comes to rare coins. Some say the 1985 cent is a unique error coin, a coin that was accidentally minted with a rare mistake, making it worth millions. So let's set the record straight. The $14,400 million claim is most likely a result of misinformation or a sensationalized rumor. While it's true that certain error coins can fetch high prices at auctions, no evidence has surfaced to support such a massive valuation for a 1985 Canadian 1 cent coin. Typically, these pennies are worth between 1 cent and maybe a few dollars depending on their condition and any rare attributes they may possess. A highly sought-after coin could be in mint condition, or perhaps feature a rare die error like a double strike or an off-center strike. But even then, it's nowhere near $14,400 million. Now, let's talk about what actually makes a coin valuable in the world of numismatics. Coins with certain characteristics can be worth far more than their face value. Factors like rarity, demand, historical significance, and condition all play crucial roles in determining a coin's price. Take, for example, the 1921 Canadian $1 coin, often referred to as one of the rarest and most valuable coins in Canadian history. In excellent condition, it can fetch over $1 million at auction. Or the 1948 Canadian 50 cent coin, which is another highly sought-after piece due to its limited mintage. These are examples of coins that can command astronomical prices, but they are far from the typical 1 cent coins in circulation. Now, you might be wondering, how can I identify rare and valuable coins in my own collection? Well, the key is understanding the different types of coin errors, mint marks, and production years that make certain coins more collectible. Let's break it down. Common errors include double strikes, misprints, or off-center coins. These are coins that didn't get struck properly during the minting process and are often more valuable because they are rarer. Keep in mind that condition is just as important as rarity. A well-preserved coin is always going to be worth more than a heavily worn one. To help us understand more about the market value of coins like the 1985 Canada 1 cent, I reached out to some experts in the numismatic field. Here's what they have to say about the potential value of these pennies. So, what's the final verdict on the 1985 Canada 1 cent coin? The claim that it's worth $14,400 million is simply not true. It's likely a case of exaggerated rumors or a scam to attract attention. That being said, Canadian pennies from this era can still be valuable if they have certain errors or are in pristine condition. As always, make sure to consult with a professional or do extensive research before buying or selling rare coins. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more coin tips, insights, and news. Until next time, happy collecting and keep those rare coins shining.